A lot of digital work still looks like this. Too many tabs open, too many messages waiting, and too much copying information from one system into another. The real cost isn't just delay. It's skilled people spending their time on mechanical tasks that SaaS software should be able to handle. That's where AI agents come in. An AI agent doesn't just give you an answer. It can take action toward a goal on your behalf. You can ask it to browse sources, search across tools, pull together findings, and draft a report that fits the task. You can also have it book a meeting, send the follow-up, and check what happened next instead of stopping after one response. A simple way to think about it is this. A chatbot gives advice. An agent is closer to a teammate that can help get the job done. Under the hood, most agents follow a loop. First, they perceive the situation by reading the request, the available context, and the current state of the task. Then they think. Usually that means a language model reasons about what the goal is, what steps should come next, and which tool might help. Next, they act by using tools. That might be opening a browser, querying a database, sending an email, or updating a record in an internal system. After that, they observe the result. Did the search return useful data? Did the system respond? Did the action succeed or fail? If the task isn't finished, the loop repeats. Perceive, think, act, observe until the job is complete or a person needs to step in. You can break an AI agent into 3 building blocks: the brain, the tools, and the memory. The brain is the reasoning layer, often powered by a large language model. It interprets intent, chooses steps, and adapts when new information comes in. The tools are how the agent reaches beyond conversation into action, whether that's search, code, email, a browser, or an internal business system. Memory keeps track of what has already happened, what constraints matter, and what the agent should carry forward across a longer task. This gets more concrete when you look at real workflows. In financial services, an agent can gather documents, verify income details, and flag mismatches for review. In university admissions, it can check whether required forms are present, compare records across files, and send unusual cases to a person instead of guessing. In logistics, it can match invoices to purchase orders, spot exceptions, and route those exceptions to the right queue for someone to handle. The time savings come from removing the repetitive checking and handoffs that slow teams down, not from eliminating the need for judgment. So the value is usually faster throughput on routine work, with people focusing where context, exceptions, and accountability matter most. It helps to separate 3 categories that often get blurred together. Chatbots, copilots, and agents are related, but they are not the same thing. A chatbot mainly responds to prompts. It answers questions well, but it usually stays inside the conversation unless something else is built around it. A copilot works alongside you. It can suggest, draft, summarize, or assist inside a tool, but you still drive most of the process. An agent goes further. It can use tools, handle multiple steps, make limited decisions within guardrails, and keep moving toward an outcome. That brings us to trust. Not every task should be fully automated, and the right level of autonomy depends on risk, impact, and how reversible the action is. For low-risk routine work, full automation can make sense. For approvals, exceptions, or sensitive decisions, human-in-the-loop review is usually a better design. Good governance means clear permissions, visible reasoning, audit trails, and a simple way for people to step in when something looks wrong. So, AI agents are best understood as systems that can carry out routine digital work with increasing independence, while people stay responsible for judgment and oversight. The strategic question now is whether organizations learn where agents truly help and build thoughtfully, or wait and try to catch up later.